Brilliant.
Now we're just waiting for our guest of honour.
Oh, guest of honour, Stevo. Yeah.
So guys, listen, next time you see us, you'll be seeing Stevo The Madman, okay? So, don't go anywhere. Don't forget to leave a like as well, yeah? Guys, leave a like. Makes sense.
And I also know that you're a big Stone Island fan, I hear.
Massive.
What are you into at the moment? I see you got the 550s on.
Yes.
I'm not sure about them, but they look alright.
Tell me how you really feel. I'll be honest, I haven't cut my toe now, so at the moment it's hurting my toe, brother.
Cool, what are you thinking? What are you thinking about the
What am I thinking? I'm thinking, why are you so tall? What have you been eating? He's used my two loves, Stoney and West Ham. He's a snide, look, that's out of order.
Yo, it's Kicks, and I'm taking over the Hoxton trend for today, and we got a special guest at Dpus that we're gonna go and link up with right now. Right, so today I'm at Dpus and I've linked up with my main guy here, Stevo The Madman.
You good?
Come on, bro.
Yes.
How you been?
I'm good, man. Just busy. In my industry, in the world, there's so many changes happening. So I'm just taking my time to see where we land with everything. So I'm in that sort of process at the moment, but all good. Healthy.
Good, bro. Good. I see you coming here looking all colourful. I want to see what's going on. Like, go through your outfit from head to toe, even the cap.
Is it? Okay, so the cap is my own, Spartan brand. And then this little number, which I call it the golfing outfit, because these are like the golfing trousers. Everyone canes me for them, which means it's good, it means it's unique, it means it's different. But yeah, it's a little Lacoste number that I've matched up. This was actually the mannequin. Yeah, so whoever dresses mannequins, especially where I got this from, I went with it, I was feeling it. Got the MTV socks on, a bit of nostalgia, and the 550 New Balance. Get me? Colour coordinated. Even the t-shirt and the pants are all colour coordinated, mate.
Just top it off with the North Face for winter.
You get me? A little bit of purple, you get me? Purple is the colour of love. Yeah, exactly.
Cap,
yes.
Obviously the colourway is
West Ham. It's my baby. It's my baby,
yeah?
bruv. Yeah, West Ham, claret and blue. I usually will always somewhere have something claret and blue in my garments. Yeah, man.
And I also know that you're a big Stone Island fan, I hear.
Massive.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's part of the culture.
What's the collection looking like?
Quick story. So last time I bought a few pieces from here. I think I bought maybe 3 or 4 pieces from here. Full pieces. Wore them, took them to the dry cleaners. They ruined them all. Yeah, some stupid woman,
What happens when they ruin them? They pay you back?
No, you do have a grace period, but I think when I got it back, I left him in the bag, went away for a couple of weeks, come back, looked at him like, wow, what's going on here? Yeah, it was too late. Plus, I like the old woman in there. It was probably a genuine mistake.
You went back?
No, I didn't. I just took it and swallowed it, mate. To be honest with you, it's there, still in the bag, it's all covered in white, shrunk everything, bruv. So fuming. So I need to collect some more bits today, to be honest.
Okay, so you're looking for anything in particular?
I'll be honest with you, there's so much pieces in there today that I'm looking at. Look, mate, quickly, just bang, like straight away, like.
Say, obviously, I'm a big shoe guy, so like,
me too,
what are you into at the moment? I see you got the 550s on.
Yes.
To be honest, I'm not sure about them, but
wow.
they look alright.
Tell me how you really feel.
On you, though.
Yeah?
Yeah, they look alright on you.
I'm trying to ting, you know, that obviously my friend, old tight Rob, he put me onto these and he swears by them. I'll be honest, I haven't cut my toe now, so at the moment it's hurting my toe, brother. That's why the laces are undone. It's not for style, but yeah. Obviously, I'm a Jordan guy.
What's your favourite Jordan right now? Just
my favourite Jordan, brother. My PA Omar. What's my favourite Jordan? Do I have one? Jordan 1.
Ones, yeah.
Yeah, probably Jordan 1. I got loads of them. All right, mate. How about yourself?
Me, I don't really love the ones.
Wow. So you don't like how I dress then?
Do you know what it is? Everyone loves the ones right now. It's like when everyone gets into something, I come out of it.
I get it. Yeah, the Jordan ones were getting a bit over-saturated.
They are. So for me right now, kind of going back to my old stuff that I have.
What are these boogers? What are these?
So these are actually Hugo Boss.
Is it?
Yeah. I actually got a couple pairs of them.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm feeling bloody hell. Yeah. You don't like nothing I got, but I like what you got.
No,
I keep it real. If you wanna be a hater and say you don't like what I've got on, then whatever, bro.
So you're getting styled by 3 of the guys from Dpus. Obviously, you've been here before.
Yes.
You know the guys.
They know me.
Exactly.
Yeah,
so we're interested to see what they come up with.
But they know me, so I'll be disappointed if they don't pick certain things, bro.
Pressure, lads.
Okay.
Pressure. Alright, cool, let's get this started.
Come on.
I'm Jack. I work at Dpus pretty much every day. You probably see me on the shop floor all the time. And I'm going to style Steve today.
Ready, bro?
Right, I'm going to start with trainers. Because I know Stevo loves these trainers. And I think you can build an outfit upon the trainers. And last time I see Stevo, he was wearing Jordans. So I'm going to go for the pair of grey, beige Jordans, high tops. I'm going to go for them. And I think I was going to match it with, keep the coordination going. I'm going to work from the bottom up. So I'm going to start with these trousers, the CP. These are new autumn winter collections. They feel like a moleskin. They're really nice. And I'm going to go for, to keep the colour coordination going, the off-white. Just come out of season now, spring, summer, but it's still a heavy gauge sweat. So I'm going to wear that, Caravaggio. And then I'm going to go for the CP Chromar jacket, which is also brand new in.
Very clean.
Beautiful, isn't it? Really nice.
That's a really clean outfit, man.
Yeah, and it'll go well with the trainers as well.
Definitely.
I'm Harry at Dpus. I do the photography, social media stuff, and I'm going to pick a fit for Stevo, so let's go. Actually, I might start the new Yeezys we just got in today. I think that's going to look good with Montclair piece that I've had in my eyeline. I'm going to go for this Montclair shell overshirt. New in, I think we've had this for about a month or two in the shop now. I'm going to go with some Montclair technical sportswear trousers. I think that's going to look good with the fit. Plain white tee. New in. Palm Angels, I think that would look good, clean. Do you know what, I might do something different. I know we've just got these new watches in, Omega Swatch collab, so I might actually pair that with the jacket and the shoes, so I'll get that out in a sec and we'll put that in the fit.
Okay, hi, Trevor, DPUS, been here from time. I've got the pleasure today of styling Steve, and it's quite ironic really, because I know he's a passionate West Ham supporter, and I'm a passionate Chelsea supporter. So I've never styled a West Ham supporter before, so I'm going to go with a theme which I hope he'll appreciate. Fresh in off the press, as they say, 3/4 length puffer, Clariton cut, going with the colours of the West Ham. Coordinate this with a set. Again, going with the Hammers theme. Sweatshirt, fresh in, 2203, bobs to go with it. And self-Pierre Resistance will be the Yeezys. Just as a touch.
So what do you reckon then, Stevo? Done all right?
Delighted. He done
See,
really
that's
well.
the old colours, greys,
Yep.
beiges.
Mad.
And tops it off with a silver jacket.
And I wouldn't have done this, but now I'm in it. As I said earlier, I follow the mannequin sometimes, so you know how much I need styling. But yeah, this is incredible, mate.
That's nice.
Great colours, mate.
Looks really nice together, actually.
I'm really happy with this. I ain't gonna lie to
I
you.
started with the trainers, you know.
You started really well, you know. I don't know how you're gonna compete with this, mate. Honestly, this is. I would wear this 1,000,000%.
So you've got a CP jacket, CP bottoms,
Okay.
off-white sweat,
Yep, lovely.
and then the old Jordan 1s.
Bang, bit of that.
Boom, you've got the grey and the arrow as well.
Got the Jordan 1s as well. You know, I love my Jordan 1s.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Hey, this is a little fit as well. You're like, sorry,
when you like
say you start doing boxing.
Cool, what are you thinking? What are you thinking about the fit?
What am I thinking? I'm thinking, why are you so tall? What have you been eating? These young kids, they're making me look short. I'm not even that short. It's different. Again, I wouldn't have, that's what I'm saying, I would have picked for myself, but now it's on me. I don't know if it's me that makes everything look good, you know? So, I like it. I like to wear tracksuits, yeah? I was part of Tracksuit Mafia years ago, yeah? But now, everywhere's like, it's tough. So this, for me, would be perfect to go to an event in and still feel a little bit smart, but not hoodlum, you know?
Yeah, still have your comfort.
Yeah, so, yeah, I like it, H. It might get dirty, though. I feel like it would get dirty.
Yeah.
Got to dress me like you, innit? Look. Oh my God, this is always happening, look. Twinning.
Can't forget about the watch.
Oh, sugar. That's the main part. Are you mad?
Coordinated.
Yeah.
Little Omega Swatch.
Come on. Is that the time? Jesus.
Palm Angels, new in store today.
Yeah. You know what though? It's weird. Look at the fit. It's important to say this is an extra small. I don't know what you think I've been doing. I have not been to the gym, but it still fitted me. It's like you're trying to uncle me or something, bro, you know? No, I like it, H. I do like it. I don't know if the trainers should be lighter. It's me, maybe that would have been too matchy. But no, I like it. Never had these Yeezys either, and they're quite nice as well, mate. Under pressure, Jackie, mate, under pressure. He's used my two loves, Stoney and West Ham. He's a sniding, look, that's out of order.
As I said, I wanted to stick with the claret and blue theme because I think it goes with my man's favourite team. So I have to respect and honour that, reluctantly.
It's more than respect and honour, mate. It's like, my heartstrings, honestly, it's amazing. the most perfect. I've taken over. Sorry, I've taken over. This is the most perfect colourway ever.
To be fair, I mean, I actually was going to go a little bit more subtle until he walked in today. And then he completely threw us. I
What
love
today?
the outfit. Beautifully coordinated, by the
Thank
way.
you.
And so I thought I'd, you know, sort of just go with the rose 3/4 length Stone Island coat, which is current season, autumn winter, with the set, which is very popular at the moment. With the set coordinated with, again, the Stone Island. You can call it baby blue, you can already call it ice blue, but I'm going to call it baby blue.
Call it baby blue.
And last but no means least, my Pierre Resistance, which picks out the coordinated colour with the Yeezys.
Yeah, man.
Incredibly comfortable. Again, slightly subtle, not too in your face Yeezys, because some of them are, but I quite like the effects of this with the 3/4.
You know what's mad? That they are like, what colour would you call this?
Yeah.
I'm colourblind, by the way.
Are ya?
Yes, I think I've done quite well. Yeah. So I've done quite well.
No way! Oh my God! Someone tell him it's green.
Is it not in black and white? Is it not black and white?
Mate, that's got to count as well. He's done well. The reason I asked about the colour is because you said they're subtle, but they've got glittery laces and whatnot. But it still is not. It's weird that they've got glitter laces, but they're still subtle. So
I mean, it's a mad colour. I can't even. That's what I like about it, because you can't actually describe the colour,
Yeah.
which I think is really makes it even more attractive. But it's a nice weight, this, because well, it's not too heavy, is it, and too restrictive. And but equally as warm.
Just makes you want to skank out, you know. Nah, you done well. All of you have done well, but this is a good one. This is a good one, mate.
Yeah, I think you've had 3 amazing outfits, and I think either one, I
Go on,
personally would
West
wear
Ham.
anyway. Okay. No. Go on then.
Send that to the Chelsea headhunters, yeah?
At Stevo, all them fits were banging.
It's banging.
Yeah.
Every single one.
I know which one I'm picking, but it's down to you, bro.
We also know that you don't dress like me. We've already established that. So if it's something you would pick.
No, man, I do. I like the style,
It's
man.
pressure, you know. You know why? I don't want to upset any of the lads. Like, they've all tried, they've all done well. I don't want to upset them. Not that they will be upset, bloody hell, but
Nah.
someone's going to be happy though. Lads. Yeah. No peeking. Open your eyes. Yeah? Unlucky,
done,
mate.
mate.
Unlucky. Well, thank you to all of you, though, man. You picked out some good stuff.
Yeah, it's good fun.
Lets me know that me coming here as often as I do, you lot take notice, mate. So big up, yeah, man.
Nice one, bro.
Yeah. Cool. What's the time?
Right, so that's it for the challenge. Trevor's come out as the winner, so big up Trev back there. Stevo, love for the link
Big
up.
up yourself. Incredible. I like this show as well, by the way. Yeah, I like it a lot.
Love for the link up.
No worries, bro. Anytime.
I've heard that there's a Black Friday sale coming up.
Correct.
Let
yes.
us know what's going on.
So 24th of November to the 27th of November, we've got our big sale that we do twice a year. And yeah, you came to the last one, Steve.
Came to the last one, got some bits, some good bits. In fact, I brought a few of my friends as well. They grabbed bits. Omar grabbed some bits. There's a lot of stuff going on there. Yeah. I'll be honest with you. I played against who's the
Oh, Joe Joyce, wasn't it?
Joyce,
Yeah.
yes.
He's blown up now. He's,
Exactly. Them
doing
times
well.
there, I beat him as well. And I said to him, "What did you say?" I wouldn't say that to him now, obviously. So, yeah.
Get there early. Get there early. We open on the Thursday, 11 a.m. But we'll restock every day. So there's always going to be new stuff coming out every day. But if you're big Stone Island fans, get there Thursday, because that will disappear. But everything else we've got plenty of. So get down, and we'll see you down there, Steve. Yeah.
They are. Come on. Come on.